Don't interrupt the commerce here at Stewart International Airport. So while setting up the Airshow is that we make room for them. Same airplane flown by the Navy. I want you to watch this. He gets set up. Watch for the nose to come up. Looking right down at show center now, making sure that he's perfectly aligned before he starts this maneuver. Power comes up. Smoke is on. The nose comes up. Up over the top. Now he's going to look straight down at Stewart International Airport and start that airplane spinning. That's David Windmiller, ladies and gentlemen, in the zip code 540. For David, the sky is unlimited in more ways than one. Just a year after his 1994 entry into the International Aerobatic Club competition, David was flying in the unlimited category, where pilots are required to perform the most complex and most difficult compulsory figures of all aerobatic competitions. Kind of modest about his skill and talent, David feels that aerobatics is something his soul. If I want to go out and fly 400 miles, I don't need to practice 5 or 6 times a week like other performers. That I feel like I just go out and do it. And you're seeing an example of that right now. David also flew in the Nationals in 1999. Cisco 540 is a master of composites, the best in the world. They also agree with them. Zipco N540, fuselage of steel, oiled inside. It's designed on a computer, fatigue analyzed to go through all of these gyroscopic tumble spins and aerial cartwheels, torque rolls, and the soaring feats of precision that look for all the world like gymnastics in the sky. David lives in Long Island, has 5 great children. Like I said, he started flying at 14, soloed on his 16th birthday, and he's logged over 18,000 hours in helicopters, airplanes, and fighters. He started aerobatics even before he got his pilot's license. Very quick. Earned a spot on the U.S. Unlimited Aerobatic team in 2000 and flew in the championships in France. What does he like to do best when he's flying the airplane is the tumble maneuver, using the gyroscopic power of the propeller and the airplane just tumble through the sky. you roll that airplane. Series of quick aileron rolls, not snap rolls, but aileron rolls. Those are called shoulder rolls. Now watch the power of the Zimco Edge 540 as he flies right out of that maneuver and into a knife edge spin. Aircraft spinning around the wing of the airplane. The knife edge spin. Slider going right across the sky in the side slider boot. Show center, showing you the quick rolling moment of the airplane. Up over the top now, and semi-head maneuver up to the right side. The maneuvers are that David does. Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, the Skytypers, the Geico Skytypers. Then it will be the F-16, the F-35, and the P-51 Mustang. First off, the P-51 Mustang depart, the F-35 Lightning II depart, and then the F-16 full demonstration. And then that will be followed by all three of those aircraft joining together in the United States Air Force Heritage Flight. Andrew McKenna, part of the Heritage Flight, and the P-51 will break off from them following the Heritage Flight to do a few aerobatic maneuvers for you, so you can listen to the sound of 1,425 horsepower of a Rolls-Royce Merlin engine in the P-51. Mike Rutledge will show you something that you've never seen at an air show before, and I'm talking about an air tractor. An air tractor. I'll tell you about it later on. Then you saw Mike Whiskas doing his circling the jumpers and doing his little teams. He'll be back for his full routine. He'll be followed by Larry Labriola, the L-39 jet in an aerobatic routine in the jet this time. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be ready for the blue and gold airplanes of the United States Navy Blue Angels to take to the skies over Stewart International Airport.